Yo! Welcome to Containing Luxury. You ever have those YouTube days where you filmed your entire video and then forgot that you didn't film your intro? So on this episode, we actually are furnishing our container with $600. Let's get started. Furnished the container. But the key of this video, how we furnished the container with literally only $600. And I did it at Walmart. So the first time, I don't know if you saw the previous video that we had, I was rushing around, I didn't have a ton of time, and I tried to quickly pick out furniture for our container. Oh, I never opened it. Do I have to cut that? Was a bad idea because you need to measure like every inch of what you can and cannot do in these things. So I went home, I took some time, I actually went on Walmart.com and I searched through all the furniture that they had, and I wanted to find a nice futon. I wasn't really finding many options. So we ended up getting all the furniture that we have in the container now, but it was a bit of a nightmare putting it all together. And some of it's not the best quality, but some of it's pretty nice. Oh, okay. So if it looks like I'm sweating profusely, it's probably because I'm sweating profusely. I should have just grabbed like my real tools and just been like, zzz. It goes, zzz. But it doesn't work if you don't do the face. You gotta go, zzz. Then it's done. Ouch! Much better. Those are horrible. No, we already shot the video on how ugly these pillows were. I'm not. All I do around here is cook and clean. Whew. Okay, so the couch actually turned out to be one of the nicer items. I honestly don't remember how much I spent, but I want to say it was like 200 bucks. And it's pretty nice, and the little arms like fold up and then you can drop them down. And then these fold down independently. So if I slid it out a little bit further, this could go down all the way and then lock in place. And it's pretty nice, it's pretty comfy. I could sleep on this. So definitely goodbye on this. Our TV stand was kind of, I mean, well, we can go to the shots of that. This thing sucks. Cheap furniture is officially cheap. Okie dokie Don Quixote. This is such garbage. Wally World, you failed me on this one. Okay, we got an outlet. Ooh, yeah, works out well right there. Okay, not an ideal. Definitely the cheapest piece of furniture I've ever bought in my life. But I mean, it works. Probably not worth the $20 I spent on the thing. I don't know how much it actually was, but it was kind of garbage. It looks nice from a distance, but not great. The bed frame, not fantastic. Mattress, pretty nice. This sucks. Something tells me this is not a good idea. I'm gonna do it anyway. Coming to bed. This lifts up, which is kind of cool. Whoop. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just put like an aluminum piece right here, which will actually protect it for when you're taking stuff out anyway. So, but this thing was a nightmare to put together. You got a decent amount of walking room, and I think this was a full or a queen. I can't remember, I'll have to look it up. I think we fared pretty well. But that's virtually our $600 furnishings of our container home. We hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, make sure to subscribe, like our channel, like our videos, I guess. And we'll see you on the next one.